Today, we're diving into a crucial topic, the mistakes you should never make when eating avocado. Yes, you heard it right, avocado eating can be an art, and we're here to make sure you're Picasso-level proficient. Avocados are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, and folate. They're also loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Let's start with mistake number 1, picking the wrong avocado. When choosing your avocado, go for one that yields to gentle pressure, indicating it's ripe. But beware of avocados that are too soft or have dark spots, they might be overripe or even spoiled. Mistake number 2, not storing properly. Avocados are like the prima donnas of the produce aisle, they demand special treatment. Once ripe, store them in the fridge to slow down the ripening process. And if you've only used half, keep the pit in the remaining half to prevent browning. Mistake number 3, letting it go to waste. Avocados may have a short shelf life, but that doesn't mean you should toss them at the first sign of browning. Simply scrape off the discolored parts, and voila, good as new. Mistake number 4, cutting before ripe. Patience is key, my friends. Cutting into an unripe avocado will leave you with a hard, flavorless disappointment. Wait until it yields slightly to gentle pressure before slicing into that creamy goodness. Mistake number 5, removing the pit too soon. The infamous pit, it's more than just a nuisance. Removing it prematurely exposes your avocado to air, causing it to brown faster. Keep that pit in until you're ready to devour the entire fruit. Mistake number 6, disregarding ripening hacks. Can't wait for your avocado to ripen naturally? Speed up the process by placing it in a paper bag with a banana or apple. The ethylene gas emitted will work its magic in no time. And last but not least, mistake number 7, overeating avocado. Yes, it's true, even something as wholesome as avocado can have its downsides when consumed in excess. While avocados are rich in healthy fats and nutrients, they're also calorie-dense. Consuming too much can lead to unintended weight gain and other health issues. Moderation is key. Aim for one serving per meal to reap the benefits without overdoing it. Get ready to discover the numerous health benefits of this creamy delight, everyone's favorite green fruit, the mighty avocado. Benefit number 1, healthy for the heart. In every 100 g of avocado, there are 76 milligrams of a natural plant sterol called beta-sitosterol. Regularly consuming beta-sitosterol and other plant sterols may help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, which are important for heart health. Benefit number 2, skin and hair nourishment. Move over, fancy beauty products, avocados are here to save the day. The combination of vitamins E and C, along with natural oils, makes avocado a fantastic moisturizer for both skin and hair. Say hello to glowing skin and luscious locks. Benefit number 4, blood sugar regulation. For those managing diabetes or at risk of developing it, avocados can be a game changer. Their low-carb content and high fiber levels help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes throughout the day. And last, but certainly not least, benefit number 5, gut health booster. Avocados are a prebiotic powerhouse, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut and promoting a healthy digestive system. Say goodbye to bloating and discomfort, avocados got your back. Whether mashed into guacamole, spread on toast, or tossed in salads, make sure to incorporate this versatile fruit into your diet for a happier, healthier you. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more health contents.